Hello, I'm Bella Bean. Many friends ask me how to eat these long green beans. Today, I'm going to share with you 2 recipes of these long green beans. First step, I remove both small ends from the long beans. Now, let me talking about the main ingredient for the long green beans stir fry. You can see we use long green beans, pork tenderloin, beancurd seeds, green onion, red hot pepper, ginger, ground Sichuan pepper, oil, and light soy sauce. Next, we wash the red hot pepper, ginger, and green onion. Then we wash long green beans. Make them very clean. Some supermarkets call these beans long beans. They are the same. Next, I open the beancurd seed bag. As you see, the beancurd still little frozen. I use about 1/3 of this bag. Put the left bag to the freezer. Next, I cut this pork tenderloin into 3 pieces along the green. Then I cut each pieces into thin slices across the green. Next, I cut the ginger into small pieces and cut the green onion into small pieces too. Cut the red hot pepper into small pieces also. Next, put the beancurd seeds into the boiling water. Turn over a couple of times. Make sure each side is boiling well. Take them out after 3 minutes. Now, the beancurd seeds getting very tender. Add the long green beans into the boiling water. Make them submerged into the hot water. Boiling about 5 minutes until they are easy to break. Then we drop them into the cold water. Now, the beancurd seeds are already cooled down a little bit. Let me cut them into small strips. The length and the width are your personal preference. They can be a little longer or a little wider, as long as they are easy for chewing. Next, cut the long green beans into small strips too. Next, heat a stir-fry pan over medium heat. When the pan is very hot, then we add in the oil. Turn the oil, then add in the meat slices. Stir-fry until all meat change color to white and they smell good. Then we add in ground Sichuan pepper. Add in green onions and ginger. Stir fry a little bit. Then add in the red hot pepper. Stir fry a little bit. Then we add in long green bean strips. Stir fry a little bit. Then we add in salt. Now we stir fry the mixture for about 1 minute. Then we add in the beancurd seed strips. Stir fry everything a little bit. Then we add in the light soy sauce. Now we stir fry to mix everything well. Now we turn off the heat. We transfer the mixture into a bigger plate. Wow, the mixture looking so nice. The plate is a very delicious plate. The pork meat, the long green beans, and the beancurd seeds are perfect combinations for giving you the wonderful tastes. Next, long green beans salad. After you boiled and cooled and cut the long green beans, you can make the salad use the ingredients on this photo. Thanks for your watching. See you next time.